Hello everyone, we have here with us one of the official candidates of Binibining Pilipinas 2024. We have Binibini 30, of course, Doc Tricia Martinez from Pila, Laguna.
Hi everyone! Hi Tiara Holics!
Alright, so Doc, um, second time mo na, right, sa
Yes.
Binibini. So, ano yung difference ng Tricia the last time na nag-join ka?
Okay, the difference between me right now and the Trisha last year, basically it's the same common denominator, but the difference is I'm more stronger. At the same time, I'm more determined. Medyo babawasan natin yung pagiging sweet natin last year. And I always get that question. And I have been contemplating with that question, and I realized that my journey last year is a continuum of my journey this year. It's a continuous journey, and it's so humbling to do it all again, to go through all the process, and I hope that it will be worth it in the end.
So, Doc, last year, of course, I'm sure alam mo na maraming nagsusupport sa iyo, right?
Yes.
Na especially that you didn't get the crown, right?
Mhm.
So, how do you feel about that?
Sobrang humbling talaga, Sir John Ray, nung mga nangyari, lalo na marami din supporters, and pagkatapos nun, maraming opportunities din ng mga dumating. Sobrang happy din kasi a lot of them became my friends as well. And this year, sana supportahan pa rin ako ng mga taong sumuporta sa akin last year.
So, ngayon naman, this year, paano mo naman ina-navigate yung competition?
I have learned a lot through my performances last year, so I know what to improve on, and I have been working so hard to improve my pasarela, my communication skills, and most especially my body right now. So a lot of people have been telling me and have been making comments about my body, but marami pang pwedeng mangyari. So sana maipakita ko yung improved version of Trisha come July 7.
Alright. So, may iba naman tayo, Doc. Kamusta naman ang buhay ng isang doktora? By the way, guys, sa mga hindi po nakakaalam, si Doc Tricia po ay dentista. So, kamusta naman, Doc, ang buhay doktor?
Yes. So, sa tingin ko, sobrang laki ng naitulong ng Binibini Pilipinas sa flow ng pasyente ko sa clinic. So, most of them are young girls and looking up to a beauty queen like me. So, at the same time, malaking bagay din siya sa advocacy ko kasi yun naman talaga yung advocacy ko, oral health, smile pa rin. And then, okay siya. Actually, up until now, may mga patients pa rin ako. So, every weekend, I'm a doctor, I'm a dentist, and during weekdays, I'm a binibini.
Okay, so balik tayo doon, Doc, sa advocacy mo.
Mm-mm.
Can you tell us more about that?
Okay, so nangyari kasi siya sa akin personally, no? So I grew up na hindi maganda yung smile. And then one time, pinaayos yung smile ko. So that's the time na-experience ko, I feel so empowered. Ganun pala yung feeling kapag kaiba yung ngiti mo. Kaya na-realize ko, nag-decide ako na maging dentist din. And right now, I have been doing the same. I have been empowering other people through creating healthy and beautiful smile. And at the same time, I'm also advocating for body positivity. So when we say body positivity, it doesn't mean that lagi lang natin i-praise kung anong body yung meron tayo. Pero pinaka-importante, healthy pa rin dapat. So we push for all body shapes and sizes as long as we're doing something to be healthy, and then I'm all for it.
All right. Once again, guys, we have with us Doc Tricia Martinez, Binibini 30 from Pila, Laguna.
Thank you so much, Tiara Holics.